making this cool Santa that you can make for Christmas and put next to your tree. For this one, you need a square paper with one side colored and one side white. And you also need some markers. So first you're gonna have the white side up. Oh, and if you don't have that, you could use a double-sided paper right here, like this. All right, first you have to take it and fold it diagonally. And fold it diagonally half in this direction. Unfold. Now we're going to take this corner, fold it to the middle. Just as we were making a fortune teller. For just one corner. Now take the opposite corner and take this corner and fold it to this corner. Alright, so now we have like this. Now we're going to take this corner and fold it to the top. And fold it, and fold this corner to the intersection of this crease and this crease. Now fold this corner down. Fold this edge up, so we're going to fold this edge to the crease. It's okay if it goes a little bit past. And now fold it again on this crease, on this. All right, so now we have something that looks like this. Now we're going to take this little flap from the bottom, pull it out, and then take this corner and fold it to the bottom. All right, now we're gonna turn it over. Make sure this straight line, this horizontal line, is like straight. Make sure it doesn't go like this when you turn it over. Make sure it's always on the top. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna take it and we're just going to turn it like this so that the thing is on top now. And another way you could make sure it's on top is to make sure this is not on top. Alright, now we fold this edge, like this edge to this edge. Now we have to fold this edge to this edge. And repeat. Now we gotta fold this corner just about this much. As much as you want, like that much. As much as you want. Make sure it doesn't go past this line. Make sure it doesn't go past that much. It can be here, here, anywhere, but not past that crease. All right, now we unfold that and we fold it back on the crease. So that it's both ways. All right. So now our crease has been both ways. Now we're gonna have this side up and we're gonna unfold it and we're gonna reverse fold it on the tiny triangle. See this tiny triangle? Right here, see that tiny triangle? We're gonna push that tiny triangle in and close. That was an inside reverse fold. Now we're just going to turn it over, and we have to fold this edge first. Right here to the center. Almost done. Now turn it over, and there's your Santa. But you can use a marker and make a little smiley on the bottom, like this. And now you can get yourself some of these crazy eyes on a roll, and you could just pick one. I want to pick this. You pick one, and you place it right there. If it's easier for you, you take a sticker. You could take a sticker and you could put it. You could take this sticker and then you could put it right here. But you could unfold just these parts, leave these, and that will be so much easier to just put it in. And then you can make yourself another one, and you could stand them. Also, if you're done playing with them, another way you could do it is you could fold it in half, right? And then you unfold, so you open up this little pocket here, and then fold it in half again. This is the way you collapse it. And this is kind of the sword. And this is also the way you could collapse it before Christmas. And you could surprise them like, peekaboo, Santa. Okay, that's enough. And you could just leave them like this. Oh, and you could make a rocket. If you want, you could tape these together, and you could make a rocket that it could blast off to space. Bye, see you guys next time.